At first I was trying to figure out this packaging. It's not complicated. I don't know why I was so confused. Hey guys, welcome back. So I have got my September Boxycharm boxes here for you today. So Boxycharm did send these to me as PR, so thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending these my way. So I have the base box and then also the Luxe box to share with you today. So fun. So I've gone ahead and opened up these boxes and tried out the goodies inside. I'm wearing a bunch of them right now. I have some dramatic makeup going on right now, but I really like these products. I'm excited to share them with you. So if you are new here, my name is Leslie. Welcome. I love to do Boxycharm unboxings, do favorites videos, new at the drugstore, get ready with me's, reviews, empties, just a lot of fun stuff here on my channel. So if you're new, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button and stuck around for a while. I'd love to have you here on my channel. So yeah, we are chatting about September Boxycharm, so let's get to it. So starting with the base box, here is a little sneak peek at the base box. So fun. Here is the card. So it says real life runway, strut your runway. That's fun. Okay, let's just jump in. So I got a skincare item. This is from Glow On, what is this? Glow On 5th. Bye Bye Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. This retails for $24. It says it's infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extract. And it says you just swipe it on for an instant refresher and major wake-up call. It is formulated for all skin types to leave your under eyes feeling hydrated, glowing, and cool. It can also reduce the appearance of bags and dark circles. I have both of those, especially in the mornings. So I tried this morning under my makeup. I really like this. It has a very kind of light, gel-like texture to it. It does feel nice and cooling just because of the nature of the formula and I guess the ingredients. I mean, it just kind of has a refreshing, cooling feeling on the under eyes, and I do feel like I could see a difference. It didn't mess with my makeup in any negative way, so I definitely will keep reaching for this to wear in the mornings especially. I also got the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This retails for $28. I am not wearing it right now because there's another mascara that I tried from the Luxe box, and I've already tried this many times before. I'm a huge fan of the Better Than Sex mascara. It's beautiful, gives really nice, just fluffy, volumized looking lashes. It's good. It is a good mascara, and I'm excited to have another tube of it. Then I got the Tint Phantom Liner. This retails for $18. It says it is a color-rich formulation that glides onto the skin with ease and strong color payoff. This liner allows you to create eye looks from subtle to strong for the perfect wing. So I really like the packaging on this. Like, the look of it is very pretty. This is what it looks like. So I do have this on, but I have it on with another liner as well because this is a brush liner. So this is totally just a me thing. I am not good with brush liners. Like, I really struggle to get any kind of a straight line with them. I mean, that's about as impressive as it gets for me. It's nice and black. It does have a little bit of like a shininess to it. It's not super matte, but it's super black and pigmented. Nothing wrong with the pigmentation or the color. I mean, I think it's really pretty. It is just the applicator for me. And I mean, tons of people love brush tip applicators, so this is not going to bother anyone. I don't think that, you know, if you like brush tip applicators, you're going to be excited about this. And really, I'll keep using it. I'll just have to use it with something else like I did today to kind of perfect the look of the wing, because I'm not as skilled at getting the perfect wing. And I don't even know if I'm ever perfect with the perfect wing, but I'm even less so with the brush tip applicator. But overall, I think this is a great liner if you like brush tip applicators. Then I got the Ciate London Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. And I got the shade Dewdrop. Here is the outside packaging, very pretty. And then here is the product itself. So this retails for $24. It says, this glow in a tube gives cheeks a soft champagne-y shine and a glass-like dewy finish. Thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid and yuzu extract, brightening vitamin C, and dragon fruit extract, and nourishing vitamin E. So I do have this on today, but I have it layered with another cream blush that I tried. And this is very pretty for what it is, if this is what you're looking for. Oh, it's coming out of the packaging. So we've got some to be able to swatch it. Oopsie. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So this, like you can see, it starts out with some pigment to it, but then kind of as you blend it in, at least this particular color that I got, it's very light and just very glossy looking, which that's how it's, you know, described. So, I mean, I think it totally delivers on what it says it is. So if you are looking for a product like this, I think this definitely does what it says it does. It does look pretty. I just think I'm gonna want to top this with something because my cheeks feel quite tacky. The other blush that I tried looks like it's finally set down, but up here where I have the majority of this, it's still feeling tacky on my skin. So I have more kind of combo oily skin. I am drier in here, but I'm definitely oily up here. So I like my skin to not feel super tacky. So for me, I will use this, but I will top it with something else is what I am planning on doing to get more use out of it. But yeah, if you're looking for something glossy, I think especially if you have dry skin, you would love this. And then last up, my favorite thing in the box, an Ofra palette. This is the signature palette in the shade Symphony. Retails for $32 and it says it has melodic mauves and warm shimmers in it, featuring and inspired by the Blissful Highlighter. I love that one. These harmonious shades never miss a beat in this easy to carry compact with a mirror. I think Ofra shadows are really underrated. I think they are a great formula, nice and pigmented, but not so pigmented that you have to do a ton of blending with them. They're just an easy to work with, versatile kind of a formula. This is a beautiful mauve-y color story, and you get Blissful in there, which is awesome. So I do have some of these on my eyes today. I have this on the inner corners of my eyes. I have this kind of on the outer part of my lid, this in my outer corner, and then I blended with this, but I also have other shadows on as well. So pretty, really a beautiful color story, and look at those swatches. So good. Really a beautiful palette, and I just really like their formula. So I think that, you know, they don't get as much hype as I think that they deserve. I really do like their shadows a lot. So this is my favorite thing in this box. Okay, so I just added up the value of this box and it's $126. So amazing value on this box. I'm a big fan of everything in here. I would definitely say this box is a win. The eyeshadow palette is my favorite, but really happy with everything in there. Okay, next up, the Luxe Box. Let me show you a little preview of this one. This looks pretty chaotic right now, but there's some good stuff in here. Let's start with a skincare item. So this is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. It retails for $60. It is a fast-acting white mushroom-powered serum. It is supposed to, it says it's clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes. Also, while soothing signs of sensitivity in 7 days, including dryness, itching, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, or burning sensations. It's a velvet touch serum that is proven to strengthen skin's moisture barrier and help protect from pollution. I'm really into protecting the skin barrier now. Like, that's just something I've kind of been looking into and finding products to help with that. So I'm excited to hear that because that is an important thing to me now with skincare. And I do have redness on my cheeks. So I tried this last night. I don't know if I can initially, you know, feel any or see any kind of benefits from it, but it didn't irritate my skin. It felt nice and hydrating on my skin. So skincare is just like that you have to try it long term to really know the benefits of it. But felt nice. I like the texture of it. Nice and hydrating feeling, kind of like a milky, light serum sort of a texture to it. Smells like ingredients, and yeah, I'm a fan of it so far. So I think I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my skincare regimen, especially kind of like on, you know, a very hydrating recovery sort of skincare routine night. Next up, I got some eye masks. These are from Beauty Bio, and they are the Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. These retail for $28. They help to depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red eye flights. And they're supposed to be cooling eye gels. So I did try one of these last night. Honestly, I tried it like right as I was getting in bed and reading a book. So I didn't get up out of bed. I just like took it off my eyes and put it back in the little packaging and then went to sleep. So I didn't go look at the effects on my eyes. But just from the feeling of it, I like them. I mean, they're this kind of like gel sort of a feeling under eye mask. I like those, and I do reach for these, especially in the mornings. Like if I wake up and my eyes are super puffy, I will reach for something like this. it felt nice. I mean, nice and hydrating. Tons of product in the package. Like it was almost like dribbling out. So I mean, you get lots of product in there in the little packet on the little, you know, eye mask thingy. So I'm a fan of these. They seem nice. Oh man, I totally goofed on this next product. This is from Ole Henriksen. This is the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. I thought this was an eye cream. Oops, it didn't say that, so why did I think that? I have no idea, but I tried this on my under eyes instead of my face last night. So I'll put it on my hand to see what it feels like on my hand. So this is the lightweight gel moisturizer that is packed with 3 forms of vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract. It instantly brightens and delivers 24-hour hydration. It retails for $34. I have tried things from Ole Henriksen in the past, and I've always been a big fan of their skincare. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I love that you can like quickly tell what line that is, like what, you know, if it's vitamin C or whatever, by the coloring of the packaging. So let me see if I can get this open. It felt very nice on my under eyes. It has like not a tint to it, but I don't know. It just, that's what it looks like. You can see it. That's what it looks like. And it feels really nice and hydrating. I can tell you that because I tried it on my under eyes. But it's a very nice, lightweight, but hydrating feeling gel cream. So definitely that gel feeling to it, but nice and hydrating as well. So I think I will love this for daytime. I love vitamin C in the mornings under my makeup. This does not feel too heavy. Almost has a little bit of a brightening effect. So I'm a fan of it. Yeah, I accidentally used it on my under eyes, but I like it on my skin too. Then the mascara that I have on my eyes is from Lawless Beauty. This is the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara. Retails for $25. It says it does it all. Volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. It uses a lighter weight lacquer, tree, and rice bran waxes to keep lashes lifted while castor and argan oils promote lash length. Ooh, that's exciting. Comes with a elastomer brush that gently grips and combs through lashes for instant volume and elongation, while the spherical tip offers lash styling and separation. Okay, so I tried this today. Love the packaging, beautiful. The wand on it is a larger kind of a wand, and it's very bendy. Like that's what I noticed. This is very bendy. I liked this on first application. So here's the deal with me and mascara. I apply like 6 coats of mascara, probably close to that. Most people don't do that. That's really pushing a mascara past probably what it's intended to do. So I liked it when I first applied it. So with the 1.5-ish sort of coats, seemed nice, volumizing, nice and black looking on the lashes. But as I was trying to layer it, I was able to make it work. But it was kind of starting to get a little bit clumpy, kind of starting to get a little, you know, balls of mascara on the ends of my lashes. So this doesn't seem to be, if you're like me and you wear a lot of layers of mascara, this one kind of struggles with that, it seems like. At least that's what I experienced. But if you are a normal mascara person and you just apply 1 or 2 maybe coats, then you'll probably really like this. I got a couple of lip products in here. So this is from Queen Beauty. This is the Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. This retails for $18. It says it is a rich buttery formula and it has a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable long wearing wear. And I got the Duo. I don't know if it has a color. Oh, Spray Tan and SOS. So I have the nude color on, which is Spray Tan. These feel nice. Like something about them feels weighty and nice. So this is a really pretty neutral color. I really like the formula of these liners. They're definitely that kind of formula that you can fill in your lips with and just wear it as your all over lip color. Ooh, that color's pretty. I hadn't swatched that one yet. That's beautiful. That one is SOS. Ooh, big fan. So yeah, if you like that kind of comfortable liner formula that you can fill in your lips or use just, you know, on the outsides of your lips as a normal liner, then I think you'd be a fan of this because I really like these. They're beautiful and a really nice formula. Then this is the Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. This retails for $26. It says it provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. It has a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax. This lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious long-lasting shine and cushion. So I got the shade Pink Cerise. So I do have this on over the liner. At first I was trying to figure out this packaging. It's very pretty, kind of fancy packaging. It's not complicated. You just screw it open. But I was trying to like pop the lid off or something. I don't know why I was so confused. Here it is. Nice doe foot applicator to it. And this is a really pretty kind of sheer glossy pink. This feels nice and hydrating. On the lips, looks really pretty. So if you like that just kind of nice hydrating lip treatment sort of product with a little hint of color, I think you'd be a big fan of this. I'm a big fan of it. I think it's really nice. And no scent to it. No scent, just a nice glossy, comfortable feeling lip treatment with a little hint of color. Then the other cream blush that I'm wearing is from Dominique Cosmetics. This is the Silk Tone Cream Blush, and I got the shade Soft Pink. This retails for $22. It says, give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this lightweight buildable cream blush formula blends into the skin seamlessly and lasts all day. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid. Love the packaging, and then the packaging of the product itself is beautiful. This is really pretty packaging, especially for the price point. I think this is very fancy and very nice. There is a nice mirror in there, and look how pretty this is. I'm a big fan of this. One of my favorite things in this box for sure. This is a beautiful pink. It is just gorgeous. It did stay tacky on my cheeks for quite a while, but then eventually it did kind of set down, but it's definitely that glossier, like slightly tackier formula cream blush. So I will probably top this with something just to kind of set it down a little bit quicker. But I mean, sometimes I have days where my cheeks are a little bit drier feeling. So on those days, I might reach for something like this. I'll still definitely use it because I love the color. I do really like the formula. I like the look on the cheeks. I'll just probably most days set it with something. But such a pretty pink. I love this. And hopefully you stuck around to the end of this video because this is my favorite product across both of these boxes. My jaw dropped when I saw this. It's the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. This retails for $69, and it says it is a warm and cool tone palette inspired by an ambiance where nature meets minimalist architecture. It says it conveys peacefulness and tranquility. It has 15 shades in there: browns, beiges, pinks, corals, teals, mints, greens. It's just a beautiful palette. Let me open it up. I am going to just open it because it is very reflective and I don't want you to be blinded by my filming lights. Here it is. Gorgeous kind of metallic copper packaging to it. Look at that color story. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of Natasha Denona shadows, but I always just get the mini palettes, which I still think are great. But I'm so excited to have this one. Such a beautiful palette. Look at those shadows. Crazy pigmented, gorgeous on the eyes, really nice, easy to work with formula. So pretty, and I think this color story is a great one for transitioning into fall. I'm a huge fan. I'm so excited about this. Wow. I just added up the value of this box and it's $282. Crazy good value on this box. Oh my goodness, I'm a huge fan of this box. So many goodies in here. I'm really excited about everything in here. So these are some great win boxes. So if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. I would love to hear what you got in your Boxycharm or what you're excited to get. Let me know that down below. Let me know if you have any questions for me. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.